Hello everyone. We're moving into a new section of our talks, and we'll be talking about the wounds we carry. Now this, a series of devotions, will speak into the places we really name out loud. The wounds we learn to live with, the scars we try to hide, and the pain we carried quietly while continuing to show up for others. This section is a reminder that God is not intimidated by brokenness, nor disappointed by weakness. He does not rush the healing process or demand strength before offering grace. Instead, He approaches our wounded places with patience, compassion, and holy tenderness. Here, healing is not portrayed as a quick fix or a single moment of relief, but as a sacred journey, one taken slowly, gently, and in trust. God restores layer by layer, breath by breath, honoring every tear, every memory, and every step forward, no matter how small it may seem. Throughout the series, I'll be inviting you to lay down shame. Or should I say, God would be inviting us to lay down shame, to release the pressure to be over it, and to allow Him to tend to the heart with the care of a loving healer. Scars are not erased, they are redeemed. Weakness is not corrected, it is met with mercy. In the section, may you feel safe enough to acknowledge what still hurts, brave enough to let God touch what remains tender, and hopeful enough to believe that healing, however gradual, is still unfolding. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are being restored. And so we will end off today with this introduction, and tomorrow we will start with healed in layers.